Esports, also known as electronic sports, refers to the competitive aspect of video gaming. It has become a booming industry, with millions of fans worldwide and significant investments pouring into the scene. Here are some of the benefits of esports that are worth mentioning. Improved hand-eye coordination and reaction time. Esports players need to have quick reflexes and precise aim in order to succeed in their games. This can lead to an improvement in hand-eye coordination and reaction time, which can carry over into other aspects of life. Boosted mental skills. Esports requires players to have a high level of strategy, problem-solving skills, and teamwork. These mental skills can help improve decision-making abilities and enhance overall cognitive function. Increased socialization. Esports players often form communities and teams, allowing them to socialize with others who share their interests. This can help to reduce feelings of loneliness and increase a sense of belonging. Career opportunities. The esports industry is rapidly growing and offers many career opportunities, such as professional gamer, coach, commentator, and event organizer. Accessibility. Unlike traditional sports, esports can be played from the comfort of one's own home, and there are no physical barriers to entry. This makes it a great option for those who have disabilities or are unable to participate in physical sports. Educational benefits. Many schools and universities are now incorporating esports into their curriculum, recognizing the benefits it can bring to students. Esports can help to teach valuable life skills such as teamwork, communication, and leadership. In conclusion, esports has many benefits that can improve physical, mental, and social well-being. As the industry continues to grow and evolve, it is poised to become an increasingly important part of our lives.